Welcome to Tips for Clips. Today in just over 3 minutes I'll give you the quickest and easiest techniques on how to fade. First tip, this is closed, open, closed, open. Closed means short, open means long. Right now it's open and I'm going to go all along the sides over and over to make sure I leave no patches behind. And I just want to make a perfectly straight line about midway through his hair. This is considered a mid fade. If I went a little higher, it would be considered a high fade. If I went lower on this step, it would be considered a low fade. So this is really simple, but it's very critical to the haircut. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is to fade. And I do hope that by the end of this video, you do feel confident enough that you can fade on your own. And now that I've completed this step and it's all smooth and one level, I can move on to the next step, in which I'm going to put the number 2 guard on my clippers. And I'm going to change the lever to the short setting, the closed setting, and I'm going to go up about 2.5 inches on the side, approximately 2 to 3 inches on the side. Notice how I'm always flicking out as I cut, and I'm going to keep using this technique all throughout. And I just want to go all around, again 2 to 3 inches up, which is very high. It gives you a lot of space to fade. Going to make fading a lot easier. And as you see, it's already starting to form. You can see where this fade is going. The next step is really easy. I'm going to take the number 3 clip and I'm going to fade between what I just cut with the number 2 and the longest hair on top. So I'm just trying to make that smooth transition between the 2 and the hair on top, and the number 3 will take care of it right away, especially if your client has the same type of hair. Next, I'm going to be using the number 1 guard, and I'm going to go up about 1 inch, creating a sort of band around the head. This band has a lower line and an upper line. The rest of the haircut, all I care about is knocking out these 2 lines that I just created, and that'll be it. We'll be done with this fade. To get rid of the lower line, I've put in my 0 clip. So it's an actual clip that comes with the number 0 on it. And I'm just going to go up until that upper line. I don't want to pass that upper line. So I'm just getting rid of the lower line. And you can see it's immediately disappearing. And everything under that upper line is perfectly faded. If you don't have a 0 clip, I would recommend buying one because not all clippers come with them. But you can still manage your way using no guards and flicking out with the corner of your clippers, but it's just a little tougher and takes a little more experience. And last but not least, to get rid of that upper line, I'm going to take my number 1 clip again, this time in the open or longer lever setting. And I'm just going to go along that upper line, and you're going to see it's right away going to take care of it and blend it in perfectly. And just like that, we have a really easy and professional looking fade. And I'm going to fast forward through the shape up and the beard fade and the beard trim, just so that you guys can see for the sake of completion. But you can check out my other videos on how to shape up a beard, how to fade your sideburns into a beard, how to perfectly shape up someone's hair. Check out my videos. Be sure to subscribe, like, follow, and share. And I will see you at the next video. Thank you all for your support.